The 2023 iteration of the Ford Kuga is a comprehensive package, offering a blend of conventional engine options and hybrid powertrains. A member of the large SUV car class, the model has seen increased appeal due to its plug-in hybrid variant. This PHEV version of the Kuga caters to the growing interest in zero-emission motoring with its impressive electric-only range between charges, also offering financial benefits for company car drivers due to low CO2 emissions. Externally, the Kuga boasts an appealing design, complemented by a wide selection of exterior paints. Riding on the new C2 global platform, the 2023 Kuga has grown in size, offering more interior space and improving ride quality. The vehicle continues to roll on its standard 17-inch wheels, with options to upgrade to 19-inch or 20-inch alloy wheels with specific trim levels. Other features like fantastic exterior paints and body-colored exterior elements further enhance its stylish appeal. The model isn't available as a full electric vehicle but offers both a full hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions. The variant can officially travel up to 39 miles on electric power alone, while the hybrid model can cover short distances without any fuel. For private buyers, the full hybrid version is the best choice due to its power and low running costs. In terms of performance, the Kuga doesn't introduce new engine options for 2023, but continues to impress with its existing lineup. For instance, the 2.5-liter four-cylinder PHEV variant comes with a 14.4 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, developing 220 horsepower and providing 32 miles of electric driving range. The EcoBlue hybrid model offers 147 horsepower through a 2-liter diesel engine. Ford also provides an optional intelligent all-wheel drive setup in entry-level models. Despite its wide-ranging offerings, the Kuga is quite affordable, with prices starting around $30,000. Hybrid models are a bit more expensive. The model is available in Europe, while the Ford Escape is available in the United States. It's also worth noting that the Kuga has been rated 5 stars out of 5 for safety by the official safety testing organization Euro NCAP. This high rating, combined with its practicality, evidenced by the ability to fit 6 carry-on suitcases in its 412-liter boot, makes the Kuga a versatile and safe choice for drivers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.